This is my favorite charging spot in the house. And this is the longest charging cable I have. And this here is my favorite socket. It all sounds good, but every time I look at the cable, it is on the floor. Why are you on the floor? Then I try to put it up there and it just keeps falling down. Straight back on the floor. No matter how many times I try, it ends up on the floor. There must be a solution to this. Well, I could just tie the cable up. It's not very pretty or practical. I've seen so many people using Lego minifigures to hold the cable in place. To do that, I picked the whitest brick I could find and I'll place it on the top. Now I just need to pick the right minifigure for this job. Anything on this level? Ah, I've spotted the one. Ta-da! Can he hold the cable? Yes, with confidence. Finally, the problem is solved. I can get the cable with one hand easily. Practice one more time. I actually need to charge my phone. All done, and back to you. It is a very simple idea and works with any minifigure. I will be back soon with something new.